Welcome everyone. Today's question is, what is a red herring prospectus? Before understanding what is red herring prospectus, let me brief you about what is general prospectus. Just prospectus, because we need to understand that for understanding red herring prospectus. The general prospectus is a document issued by a company providing the detailed information about shares, the types of the shares, when the issue is coming into the market, what are the price going to be for the shares, every minor detail regarding the shares, the issue of the shares is provided under the document named prospectus. So, as per the definition of the Act, is a document. By reading the document, a potential investors or the shareholders can take a decision whether they wanted to invest in the company or not. So that is prospectus. Prospectus, in simple words, we can say a advertisement of company for issuing shares in the market. Now let's understand what is a red herring prospectus. A red herring prospectus is a type of prospectus only, but this types of prospectus does not include any detailed information about type of the shares, what are the dividend rate, price, nothing will be provided in red herring prospectus. So if we want to give the definition, we can say a red herring prospectus is a prospectus issued before original prospectus and which does not contain any detailed information regarding issue of shares. So why we need to issue the red herring, or why company issue red herring? So red herring is just for the investors, to inform them that yes, in future we are coming with the IPO or FPO, so just be ready to invest in our company. The detail will be provided later. And on the front sides of the red herring prospectus, in a red font, will be given that this is a red herring prospectus, and all the rules and provisions regarding the red herring prospectus are given under the section 32 of our Companies Act. So that's the difference between normal prospectus and red herring prospectus. To conclude my answer, I can say red herring prospectus is a document which provide a minimum information, just minimal requirement that yes, we are coming with the IPO or FPO, does not provide any detailed information.